One toy run from the motorcycle workshop. Getting quite a good turnout. A terrific array of bikes. Guys dressed up. Quite a crowd. Happy chap over there. Morning, fella. Modern bikes, lovely BSA, scooters. Hello, fella. How's it going? Yeah, all right, mate. Have a look at this.
Retired doctor.
Hello, mate. You all right there, fella?
Yeah, mate.
All going to plan?
Seems so. Yeah. If it doesn't rain, it is.
Good turnout, isn't it?
Yeah.
All of a sudden, it's got busy.
Yeah.
Good man.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I wasn't sure. You know, you just don't know when it's iffy first thing. You just don't know whether people are going to come out or not. And the forecast has changed so many times.
And I'm shaking this camera here because I'm cold. Good luck, fella.
I'm live on film.
Lana! Good morning.
Hello.
Tell me about your van.
What do you want to know about my van?
The Women's International Motorcycling Association.
What do you want to know about the Women's International Motorcycle
Tell me
Association?
all about it.
So it's an international organisation which is based now in 30 different countries in the world. We've got a very active division down here in Sussex, so I lead the groups in East and West Sussex. So what we do is local rides, usually at the weekends, or we all go together to certain motorcycling events, or we meet up at certain motorcycling events. We have camps and rallies, and then we have a national camp every year for the whole of the UK, so all the UK members will come together and camp. And then we have an international rally every year, which is held in a different country every year. So that gives people the opportunity to go abroad, and quite often will ride with other people that they've already made friends with through WIMA. So that's what WIMA does. We also host each other. So, for example, if I want to go stay with some WIMA members if I want to go visit Scotland, I could contact the ladies up there and say, I'm coming up, anybody like to host me for a few days? And then they'll take me and show me all of their lovely ride-outs that they know really well, which would be equally the same for me if they come to Sussex. I would host them either at my house, or sometimes they put the tent in the garden, and then I'd take them out and show them local rides all around my neighbourhood.
So how would interested ladies get in touch?
How? We've got a Facebook group, we've got a big internet presence, both for WIMA GB and for all the other countries. They all have their own division, but you can just look anything. If you look at my van, you see wimagb.co.uk.
Let's go look. So that's how you get in touch, ladies.
Oh, of course, come.
There used
It doesn't matter what mask I put on.
Stefan!
Kids.
Hello, dear boy.
Bit different from the ride of the Ruperts.
Absolutely, Tony, it is, mate. Absolutely. Fantastic.
You got one planned for next year?
Absolutely, yeah. It'll be September next year, Ride of the Ruperts. Come along to it.
What
You're
day?
more than welcome. I don't know yet. Something like the 26th, I think, if that's a Sunday. So, yeah, that'll be good. But
You've got a stranger behind you.
Have I? He's probably doing this over the top of my head.
Exactly, exactly.
Cheers, Mike.
So you're out to help the kids again?
Once again, yeah.
Good man.
Well, I'm going my own, so I have to help others, don't I?
Have you put your 50 quid in?
Absolutely.
Good
Did
man.
you not see me do it? I've got witnesses,
it's
honestly, Tony.
strange because Mike put 100 in.
He did. He's a generous fella.
Yeah.
He is a generous fella.
Unlike yourself.
Absolutely.
Hello,
You are a bugger.
So Chris, you've come all the way from Exeter.
Exmouth?
Exmouth. No motorbike?
No motorbike, for a change.
Excuse?
I was just saying, the 16H needs a new clutch cable, the Dominator needs a new alternator, the Commando could do with an ignition switch,
Very good at reading off excuses.
but the Bonneville and the 19S are going nicely. But it's a bit far to sort of drive down there, pick up a bike, 180 miles back, take the bike back, come back again, just for a half an hour ride.
That's not good enough.
Mike! Are we doing it again, are we? Good morning, Tony.
We messed up the first one.
Okay. Take two.
Take two. What you on?
On my Kawasaki W800.
800. Where's the 650 then?
The motorbike sidecar is in the garage. It's buried too deep behind everything else. I couldn't get it out.
Oh.
Story of my life.
What, you can't get it out?
Correct.
So,
Not in this weather.
How many toy runs you done?
This is my third.
Your third. Tea?
Tea.
Done your
Lovely
tea.
cup of tea.
Nice cup of tea.
Yep.
So I'm going to leave you now, mate.
Okay. Good to see you, mate.
Later. Traffic lights. Oh, they're going through. They're all gone.